Here is why Air Assist is one of the biggest upgrades you can make to your laser cutter. Okay, we're gonna get started. This is an easy video. Just showing you the difference between using Air Assist and not using Air Assist. If your laser has it and you're doing cutting, best thing to do is use your Air Assist. I will be using the A1 Pro for this. I'll go ahead and show you how to set it up. We'll do it in Lightburn. Creality Design Space automatically has the air turn on when you're doing a line cut. Lightburn has a switch that you turn it off, and I'll show you where that's located. And we'll get started. Thanks for watching. Air Assist blows a steady stream of air into your cut. It clears the smokes, reducing flames, and lets you cut deeper and cleaner. All right, for this, we're going to do it inside Lightburn, as we have air control here. We're going to grab two random shapes. Put them right next to each other. One will have air on. This one will make this blue layer. And we'll make sure that air is turned off. Black layer. Line on. Speed and power. We'll go ahead and set this to 400. By 100, we're going to end up using the Falcon A1 Pro. It's a 20-watt laser. As you can see now that the cutting is done, that on the right hand side with the air off, everything looks scorched. On the left hand side with the air on, nice and clean cuts. All right, now that everything is done, let me show you the two up close. See, this side has the burn marks. This side doesn't. Especially the edges, you can really tell. See, this side's cleaner. This side, the cuts are just a little bit dirtier. The very thing to do, just turn it on. All you have to do is turn on that switch and have the air come out. If you're using Creality Falcon design, it's automatic. So when you're doing the cutting, it automatically turns it on. I hope you guys find this useful. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.